Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to customize the quick settings panel on the CMF Phone 1. If you want quick access to your favorite settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or dark mode, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the quick settings panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the quick settings panel. Swipe down again to expand it fully. Step 2. Enter edit mode. Look for the edit or pencil icon. Tap it to enter the customization menu. Step 3. Add, remove, or rearrange tiles. You'll see two sections: active tiles in use and available tiles not in use. To add a tile, drag it from available to active. To remove a tile, drag it back to the available section. To rearrange tiles, press and hold, then drag them into your preferred order. Step 4. Save and exit. Once you're happy with the setup, exit the edit mode by clicking on the top left corner arrow. Now, swipe down to see your customized quick settings in action. And that's it. You've successfully customized the quick settings panel on your CMF Phone 1. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.